Haas Hawk Pro Pressure Washer Review. Does it really work? Today I'm going to show you everything you must know so you can quickly decide if this tool can actually make your cleaning easier or not. The main idea behind this device is simplicity. Instead of using a large pressure washer machine, it connects directly to your regular garden hose and helps improve the water flow for better cleaning. There's no need for electricity or a complicated setup, which makes it appealing if you just want something quick to use around your home. Getting started is easy. You attach it to your hose, make sure it's secure, and turn on the water. Once it's working, you can control the spray depending on what you're cleaning. This makes it flexible for different tasks like washing your car, rinsing outdoor surfaces, or cleaning windows. Everything is designed so that even beginners can use it without confusion. In terms of performance, it's important to set the right expectations. This is not the same as a heavy-duty pressure washer. Instead, it boosts your normal hose pressure to make cleaning more effective. For light to moderate tasks, it can save time and effort compared to using a standard nozzle. One thing that makes it stand out is how portable it is. It's lightweight and easy to move around, so you don't have to deal with bulky equipment or storage problems. You can just use it when needed and put it away right after. That said, it does have limits. For tough stains or heavy buildup, it may not be strong enough to fully clean the surface. It works best for regular maintenance rather than deep cleaning jobs. Another advantage is how low maintenance it is. There are no complex parts or extra steps to worry about. You simply connect it, use it, and store it, which adds to the overall convenience. So is it worth it? If you want a simple and affordable way to improve your everyday cleaning, it can be a useful tool. But if you need strong professional level pressure, this may not meet your expectations. Overall, it focuses on ease of use, portability, and convenience. It doesn't replace a full pressure washer, but it can make regular cleaning faster and more manageable.